Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU213, and this is a 94 Mazda B4000. It's a four-wheel drive with a 4.0 engine and manual trans to it. It has 167,379 miles. It does not run. This is a towing off the highway that ended up getting left with us. I believe it's a fuel pump. I get a crank out of it. But it acts like it's starving for fuel. So we'll take a walk around the vehicle real quick. We're going to do a start in the bay, make sure the engine is good before we sell it. This thing's got some beautiful looking tires to it. It does have a lift kit also. I'll show that to you guys. It's a nice tire. I mean, the body itself isn't half bad all the way around, so that's always good. So you get a look at this kit for you. So there you go, it's actually a body lift. So you guys got that too if you're interested in lifting up your Mazda. We got what you need over here at Lews. So now we're gonna go ahead, we'll get on the inside. I can get some components going, but you know, just can't do a run test for it. So let me jump up in here. And we're talking about like 3 feet off the ground, 4 feet off the ground. Pretty wild. All right, so mileage 167, 379. I got heater AC controls working. So it looks like all that works just fine. Everything else I cannot really test. Mainly because I don't have engine power. The windows do not work. I believe it's this button. They did some wiring back here to the back of this button. Almost hear the driver's side trying. I feel like they just did not do their stuff correctly. Let me check out mirrors for you. See if we can. So it looks like that one's working just fine. We'll hop over here. It's just like I got that one too. So mirrors work just fine. I wish I can show you this thing running, but unfortunately I just don't have the power to do that. I'll crank it over for you so you can listen to that. So it sounds like it has compression, it's just looking for that fuel, which it does not have. But other than that, I think it'll be just fine. We're gonna do a test in the bay, get a compression test out of it too, make sure it's running. So look for part 2 of this video when we go ahead and test the engine. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews in Thornburg, Virginia. We'll be happy to help. And again, this is UU213. Thank you and God bless.